Do you know many people are having trouble figuring out how to play DVDs on their Jensen JWM62A? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Insert DVD. Insert the DVD into the slot with the label facing up. The player will start automatically. Step 2. Control playback. Press the play/pause button to start or pause playback. Use the remote if needed. Step 3. Navigate menu. Use the remote control to navigate through the DVD menu. Select chapters using the arrows and enter. Step 4. Select functions. Utilize the fast forward, rewind, or skip buttons for different playback functions. Step 5. Adjust settings. Change audio settings, subtitles, or viewing angles with the remote control buttons. By following these steps, you should now be able to successfully play DVDs on your Jensen JWM62A. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Jensen users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.